shit all over her. Sorry, that's a video recording.
No worries. I'll beat that part out. My wife challenged me to go hiking with her, and I accepted. An hour and a half into the trail, I started to feel dizzy, tired, and out of breath.
Beautiful.
But of course, I'm not going to show that to her. I walk steadily and proudly, but inside, I was dying from exhaustion. Mind over matter, they said. I kept moving forward and tried to block out the pain. 2 hours after we started, we finally reached our destination. Just a few more steps up and we'll reach the tea house and finally get some rest. Everything was so beautiful.
Round two. You shit all over her. Sorry, that's a video recording.
All that walking was so worth it. On top, it was amazing. Beautiful trees, sky, lake, and mountains. Nature showed her true beauty up here. It was an amazing day.